that, Nanay?
Wing beans.
Wing beans.
Channel, Linda's Kitchen and Garden. Today po ay harvest natin yung ating mga gulay.
And you? How about you?
And I'm Linda from Concern Channel Garden Channel. We're gonna harvest.
Okay.
Those are peppers.
Let's go harvest. First, we will get our okra.
Okra. And we have to harvest and put it.
Harvest.
Wow, it's nice. Okra.
Are you going to eat okra?
Don't touch the okra, okay? Touch the okra. Don't touch.
Look, a yellow flower.
Next.
Come here.
Which next? We'll harvest sitaw. Nice harvest. Yan na. Look, oh, Angela, oh. Flower. Yan. Last harvest natin, tamis, no? Sweet, Nanay, no?
Sweet.
Putitinda kare-kare. What is that, Nanay?
Wing beans.
Wing beans.
What is windy?
Windy.
Yes. Wing beans.
It's windy, Nanay. Oh. Yay!
That one will fall down and blow away.
Yan din, no? Masarap, tamis. Angela, here! Here! Kailangan niya ma-sprayan ng ano. Hindi tumutuloy ito na yun. Masisira. Hi, bless you. Here.
Mommy, look, under has shadow.
It's my shadow.
And you.
May sitaw pa doon, no?
Kailangan talagang yung madiligyan bago.
Sitaw. Badaw. Meron na sa kabila.
Mommy, my shadow's walking. Oh, whoa.
Ito.
This is
Tada.
It's long.
Haba. Ito na, hindi pa tama. Linggit pa. Ayan. Here. Tusok yung mata mo, ha? Mata mo na matcha mo, matcha. Ay, balaktan.
It's curly.
Curly. Like this nila. Ooh, it's windy. Wow. It's kulot.
only like my hair. But looks like my hair.
Like your hair, kulot. maganda nga, magtanim ka na, marami. Oh, it's too many?
Marami. Kailangan natin ng marami.
I hold it.
Lupa.
Lupa.
Yeah. Mom, like this rope.
Po kaming garden soil.
You can get the popcorn.
Mga sile? I'm going to get sile, nanay.
Mura po.
May isa dyan yung malaki. Yan o, malaki. Yan o.
Mura po.
Yay! Saluya. Saluya.
Look at your saluyot. Bakit ito?
Saluyot.
Ito maganda ito.
Yay! Here's the harvest. Sitang.
Mamatay yung isang ano dito.
Yan.
Yung ano, yung round eggplant.
Round eggplant.
Meron na tira.
So, dati, ito yung pepino natin.
Oh, parang hindi na mag-aano yan eh. Sa nagpumuluta. Kasi maliit na yung
sarap.
Let's remove all the nutrients eater. So, kailangan natin magtanim yan.
Ayun.
So, ayan po guys. Nakuha na namin yung, harvest na namin yung aming
Ay, along bati. Kala ko magkano ka.
kasi tatanda lang sila.
Mom, excuse me.
Nalagay namin sa kare-kare.
Hindi, ininit ko na yung ano.
Kare. Kare. Ah, bye!
So, bye.
Video! Bye!
Bye! Say bye!
Say bye!
Oh, we forgot the saluyot.
Namin na kami sa harvest sa saluyot.
Yan na.
Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye!